Listen to the story.
There's a story.
Alright, now shut up.
Awesome.
There's a man. Hey, shh. Listen to my story, goddammit. There was a man. We had two toes. He's run through a forest. But there was a lion. But the lion, oh no, the lion had no heart. And then the lion started chasing him. And then he had to run for his... So, the man hit by a tree. And then the lion crept around. But there's a beetle. And he tripped on it. So, the lion caught him and bit him. Then he decided to run for his... So he's running.
He's not done. He's on.
He jumped the river. Well, he fell in. And then swam for his... Everywhere I said. And then, so, did backflip. Man, I had fishes in this way.
You should definitely not
But
make out what.
he got on land. Then I see the line again. Do I have burnt fish? But that's not all! That's not all! There's a fish and he jumps out of the water.
It was a piranha.
That walks on land.
What do you have to run for?
Nigga.
No, stop. But he kept running.
Nigga. Nigga.
But there was this cave, a rocky cave.
Nigga.
And he hit a rock, picked it up.
I can't breathe.
They picked up the rock and threw it at the lion. The lion got angry. He started chasing him. Tried to run for his... The turtle popped out of the sea.
He's still going.
But this thing was at a deadly turtle. But not all about the deadly turtle.
I can't breathe.
There's a bunny! A bunny! I don't know that bunny had no friends. So the bunny had... And then, so he decided to run first.